we will be adding mixed numbers with like denominators. So let us answer these two items. Let's start with number 1. 2 and 2/5 plus 3 and 2/5. Okay, so first po, let us add the whole numbers. 2 plus 3. Okay, so that is 2 plus 3 plus, let us add the fractions. 2/5 plus 2/5. 2/5 plus 2/5. Okay, so let us add the whole numbers. 2 plus 3 is equal to 5. Then plus, let us add the whole number, the fractions, no? So do you still remember how to add similar fractions? First step is just simply add the numerators. So 2 plus 2, that is equal to 4. Then copy the denominator, 5. Okay, so 5 plus 4/5 is just simply 5 and 4/5. Next, number 2. So we have here 5 and 7 over 9 plus 2 and 5 over 9. Okay, so again po, add the whole numbers. 5 plus 2 plus, let us add the fractions. 7 over 9 plus 5 over 9. Okay, so let us add the whole numbers. 5 plus 2 is equal to 7. Then plus 7 over 9 plus 5 over 9. So adding similar fractions, just simply add the numerators. 7 plus 5 is equal to 12. Then copy the denominator, 9. So as you can see, our fraction here is improper, no? Because the numerator is greater than the denominator. So what are we going to do? We use the long division. So we divide 12 by 9. So using the long division, so we have 12 divided by 9. So how many 9 are there in 12? 1, right? So 1 times 9 is equal to 9. Then subtract 12 minus 9 is equal to 3. Okay, so how are we going to write this in mixed number? So this will serve our whole number, and this will be our numerator, and 9 is our denominator. So that is 1 and 3 over 9. But as you can see, 3 over 9 is not yet in its lowest term. So let us simplify it, no? So we have 3 over 9. So we divide them by their greatest common factor, which is equal to 3. So divide both by 3. So that will give you now 3 divided by 3 is equal to 1. 9 divided by 3 is equal to 3. Okay, but don't forget to copy the whole number 1. Okay, so we're going to write it in here. So we have 7 plus 1 and 1/3. So in this case, we add the whole numbers 7 and 1. 7 plus 1 is equal to 8. Then we have here 1/3. So that will give you now the final answer. So if that is clear to you guys, so let us answer the next slide. Okay, so please type your answer in the comment section. Bye.